Let's make some healthy pressed juice. Hello everyone, good afternoon and welcome back to Creative's Kitchen, and today we are just gonna do you some simple pressed juice. And here are the ingredients we have for the pressed juice. We have carrot, apple, beetroot and lemon. And all these fruit is very good for the body. So guess what in the pot? Pressed fruit juice today. And we're just gonna make these simple and easy ingredients. So if you have your juicer, let's get started. Let's juice some apple and carrot and lemon and ginger and beetroot. Are you ready to go? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut the black bits off the carrot and cut the apples and carrots, and then we go ahead and so I already washed my apples and I washed the carrot and peeled them. So we're gonna move these from here and just cut the edge of the carrot off, and then we're going to peel our beetroot. So we just get those off the carrots. So, and we're just gonna cut the beet. So we don't want a big beetroot. The beetroot just make a mess. So now we're just cutting our apple and take the pips out the apple, which is a bit annoying. So you just take your pips out your apple. So just cut the apple in four. So now guys that we have cut all our veg and chopped the apples, the beetroot and our lemon, we're going to juice our fruit now. So just shift that from there. So now guys, we're ready to juice our carrots. So let's go ahead and do the juicing. Ready to juice, so we just put our carrot. So yes, my dear, now that our fruits are finished juice, all the lovely fruits are juice, here is the lovely, healthy, delicious pressed fruit juice. And here are the ingredients that we use in this juice. And here we have half a lemon. We're just gonna squeeze this lovely, look at that lemon. It is so looking so nice and fresh. We're just gonna squeeze this lovely piece of lemon into our nice fruit juice. So let's go ahead and squeeze our lemon and just mix that in. So now we're squeezing our lemon in. And you only need half a lemon. And as we mix, we squeeze the lemon, then we mix the lemon. So now you just use a small spoon and mix all that lemon juice into the beetroot and carrot and ginger. I hope you enjoy making this simple pressed fruit juice with me today. And this juice, as you know, beetroot is good for the body, carrot is good for the eyes, so this is a body boost drink. This helps to give you, so now we just pour. It's very healthy. So I hope you enjoy making this drink. So guys, I hope you enjoy making this lovely healthy drinks. As you know, carrot is good for the heart, and you know beetroot is good for the blood. You have lemon and apple with vitamin C. So here we have a nice combination of fruit that is healthy and delicious for the body. And I hope you enjoy making these drinks today, and it's good to have. If it's your first time in Creators Kitchen, don't forget to like and subscribe. Continue making this healthy juice, and I hope to see you in the next video. And sorry for my not posting regular because of my devices and because somebody tried to mess with my channel, but we'll get there again. We'll be back on track. So just be patient with me, and thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. See you in my next video. Bye.